Hello and welcome to this course. In this video, I will be showing how you can create stairs in Revit. You have to go to Architecture tab, and then in the circulation panel, you can see there is a stairs button. So I will just click on it. In the options bar, there are some options which is location line, then there is offset, then there is actual run width, and automatic landing box has been checked already. Let's discuss them one by one. First of all, in the location line, if you open your plan, then maybe in your case run or center is automatically selected. So let's just start from here, and you can also see within your screen that the offset will be 0 feet 0 inch, but the actual run width will be 3 feet 0 inch. So now if I want to start the stairs, you can see that the location line, which is currently in the blue dotted color, you can see that it is at the center of the width of the overall stairs. Now let's say for some reason I want to change the actual width of this run, let's say 5 feet, and I want to start the stairs again. You can see that the width of the stairs has been changed. So it's up to you what width of the stairs you want to keep for your plan. So I'm not going to draw the stairs further. I will just delete them and click on the run again and change this value to 3 feet. Now if I change my location line to, let's say, exterior support left, and start the stairs, you can see that the blue dotted line has been shifted to one side of the overall stairs. So it's up to you that where do you want to keep your location line according to your plan or the location of the stairs. So let's just delete it as well. Now coming back to our plan, so I will click on this run, and automatic landing has been already checked. So as per my plan, if I start my stairs from here, and as you can see in the CAD plan, the first flight ends here. So I will do another click here to end the first flight, and uh, start the second flight from here and click just here. Now you can see that there are two steps still missing as per my linked AutoCAD plan, but since Revit has already calculated the relative height between two levels, and in this file it has already reached to the upper level. So let's just click OK and draw a smaller section here. Let's just view this section, and going back to our ground floor plan and flip this section. Now you can see that the stairs which started from this level has already reached to this upper floor. So it means that these two steps are unnecessary in this case. Now this is one way to draw the stairs, and there is another way. If I click on the stairs, and there are some different shapes already, and let's just click on modify and select one of the stairs which is straight stairs. So as you can see that currently my stairs is in the straight line. Also in the third one is L shaped. So if I click here, then it automatically draws the number of step or make the overall stairs. And the third one is U shaped, and you can see that the stairs are already been made. You just have to place and rotate it if you need as per your plan. So the first method is manual method, and the other method is technically the automatic method. So it's totally up to you whichever you want to follow for your project. That's it for today.